This is my Vault Guide, or Vault Helper, a beginner-first DeFi yield onboarding app built for the DeFi UX challenge. Our core flow is very clear: learn, explore, understand, then preview root before adding wallet confirmation. First, on the Learn page, we explain both APY, TVL, deposit, and swap in plain language, so beginners understand concepts before touching execution. Then on Explorer, we load real vault data from LeFi on API. Each card surface, protocol, chain, APY, TVL, and readable labels to make comparison fast and understandable. On the Vault detail page, we help users interpret key metrics, current APY, 30-day APY, TVL, and custom labels like beginner friendly or promotional spike. We also add short scanner notes for practical guidance. Now we generate a real code via LeFi Composer from backend only, keeping the API key secure. We show expected output, minimum output, gas estimate, and root summary before wallet action. After that, user connects wallet and clicks. We pass the real transaction request to the wallet and stop at the confirmation pop-up. No forced on-chain execution is required in this demo. Technically, this project follows LeFi's two-layer architecture correctly. Earn Data API for vault discovery and product intelligence. Composer Quotes API for transaction preparation. In short, my Vault Guide makes DeFi yield onboarding understandable for beginners while still using real production data and real transaction preparation. Thank you.